Hey guys, Ezoic released a really cool new generative AI tool that helps with creating content. This is, I think, for people who prefer to have more control over the content production rather than using a lot of the completely automated AI tools. So let's get into it. It's called Wordsmith. It's found in Niche IQ. And this is actually my first time using it, so we'll kind of stumble through this together. But go to Wordsmith over here. And then once you get into this tab, just click New Document. Down here, you will see the document properties. So all the headings will be identified with the number signs in front of them. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this document outline. You want to make sure to put these hashtags in front of headings. So I'm going to copy this just so I have it referenced. We'll hit Continue. Title. So the title of this post, this is for my phishing site, is going to be Pure Phishing California Regulations. Document-wide keywords is going to be Pure Phishing California. Add that keyword. Document sections. All right, we have heading. Let's see if we can get this. Actually, we'll start with heading 2. Heading 2 is going to be, do you need a license to go pure fishing in California? Keep in mind, I've done all my keyword research already. Let's click expand content and see what happens. There we go, content. Wrote out a nice little article post for me here, or a section at least. And here it answers it. If you are pure fishing from a public pier in California, you do not need a fishing license. Great. If I want to edit it or add any text, I can do that. If I want to click expand, I can add more content. I'm going to say, okay, next section. I think I need to add another section. So we'll go back. We'll click new section. And this is going to be other pure fishing regulations in California. Expand content. And this is all built on ChatGPT as the engine behind it. It is ChatGPT 4, so it's pulling in some really good stuff here. So yeah, this talks about size and bag limits when fishing in California from a pier. Looks pretty good to me. Again, if you want to edit stuff, you can, but I'm going to leave it as is for now. And I'll go back. And I think I'm going to edit this. I'm going to make it a, let's see. I'm just going to see if I can make it a H3. But I'll leave it as is for now. This is the main heading, pure fishing California regulations. And for this one, I'm going to write in the introduction myself. I'm going to say, I'm going to come up with an introduction later on because I'm not too creative at the moment, but I'll go back, edit, new section. I have another section on best piers for fishing in California. And content, I'm assuming this is going to pull up some sort of list for me. So yeah, I see Oceanside Pier in here, Santa Monica Pier, Avila Beach Pier. So it has a few. Didn't put it in the list version. I may go back and edit this, but I'm going to keep this for now. And then I'm going to add one final section, which is going to be pier fishing versus beach fishing. Put that up in the heading. I didn't really like what it wrote here, so I'm going to say pier fishing versus beach fishing. Delete that. Key differences. All right, so I like this better. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to edit my introduction. I'm going to come back to this later. So I'll say, put some intro text here. Great. Go back. Now, I'm going to go ahead and continue and we'll finish this. It gives me the character count, the word count, which is pretty cool. And here's the final document. So I can actually, guess I can't edit that, but that's okay. I'm going to copy this because I might just be pasting it into my WordPress, but I'm going to click export document and see what happens. Oh, this is cool. So this is how you want to input it into WordPress. So I'm going to copy this, and this should neatly allow it to go over when I go to my WordPress admin. Click in here, click paste, and see how that just mimics my headings, my H2s, all that, makes it really nice. So there's a few edits that I might want to make here. I want to go back and add some images. But as you can see, it's a cool way to create content more quickly while still giving you some control. So that's how it works. Check out Wordsmith, and I will publish the link to this final article below the YouTube video so you can see what it looks like on the final version of the site. Thanks, and hopefully that wasn't too long today, folks.